Hello guys, this is James Villaverde. I am a real estate broker in Baguio. And today po nandito tayo sa Outlook Ridge DMCI. Yan, meron po tayong na-close na deal at ayusin po namin tonight yung documentation. And ito po, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung view dito sa DMCI Outlook Ridge. Yan. So good news dahil merong bagong project si DMCI sa Tuba, which is napakaganda rin po ng view niya. Pre-selling, kaya magaan po yung kanyang monthly down payment. Yan. So si DMCI, napatunayan na niya yung credibility niya, yung quality niya sa projects, napakaganda, and property management, kaya dito yung napili ng client namin na mag-invest. Yan, DMCI. So thank you for watching, and I hope to help you in your real estate investment in Baguio City. Thank you so much.